Hello and welcome to Apuntes de Español. In this video we are still studying the subjunctive in subordinated sentences. We're going to study the verbs that express wish or will. Verbs, or some of the verbs that express will, voluntad, and some of the ones that express wish, deseo. Study them, use the worksheet, use the Quizlet that I provided in the description, and now we can analyze the sentence. In the sentence, deseo que mis amigos sean felices, I'm going to find, as always, the independent clause with deseo and a subordinate clause with que mis amigos sean felices. In the first part, deseo is something that we understand as reality, I wish, is certain, but que mis amigos sean felices is not a certain thing yet, right? So that needs to be expressed in the subjunctive because it marks the idea of uncertainty, okay, or virtuality. Another table with this verse in which you can select one from this column here that needs to be in the indicative mood, plus the que, and then pick one of these verbs that needs to be conjugated in the subjunctive mood. Why? Again, because they belong to the uncertain. In the sentence, pido que leáis el libro de Harari, pido the independent clause, que leáis el libro de Harari, the dependent clause. Pido is a reality, I ask for that, it's a certainty, but que leáis el libro, that you read the book, is not a certain thing, it's a virtuality, it's an uncertainty. That's why it needs to be expressed in the subjunctive. Stop the video, do some exercises here, and then check the ones that I give you in the answers. Okay, have a good day now.